In today's video, I'm going to teach you Figma tutorial, how to export images in Figma. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get clean, correctly formatted images out of your designs, ready for sharing, development, or publishing. Start by opening the Figma website in your browser. Once Figma loads, head to your files and open the project that contains the image you want to export. Give the canvas a moment to render, then navigate to the exact frame or area where your image lives so it's easy to select. With your image ready, click to select the specific layer, image, or frame you want to export. This is important. The export options only appear when something is selected. Look to the right-hand side of the interface in the Properties panel. Scroll down if needed until you see the Export section. That's where all of your export settings live. Now choose your file type. PNG is great for crisp graphics and supports transparency, which is ideal for logos or UI elements that need a clear background. JPG is better for photos or large images where you want a smaller file size. You'll see a quality slider that lets you balance clarity and size. SVG is perfect for icons and vector shapes you want to keep scalable without losing quality. Pick the format that fits how you'll use the image. If you need different sizes, you can adjust the scale in the export settings, such as 1x, 2x, or a custom percentage. This is especially useful for sharing assets that need to look sharp on high-density screens. For PNGs, you can keep transparency on by default. For JPGs, remember that transparency isn't supported, so the background will be filled with a color. If you're exporting vector art as SVG, you can keep it editable and crisp across any size. When everything looks right, click Export. Figma will prompt you to save the file on your computer. Choose a clear file name, pick your folder, and confirm. If you've selected multiple layers or frames, Figma will export each one separately using the settings you applied. A few quick tips as you work. If you don't see the Export section, make sure a layer is selected. Exporting a frame will include everything inside that frame, which is handy for capturing a complete section of your design. And if file size matters, try JPG at a slightly lower quality or PNG with a reduced scale to keep things lightweight. That's it. You've opened Figma, opened your project, chosen the right export settings on the right side, selected the file type, and clicked Export with confidence.